Hey YouTube, this is the new i9 Extreme, the 10th generation Intel Core processor. It's an 18 core, 36 threads. So I decided to do a quick unboxing since not that many people have it right now. It's January 3rd and the actual release was expected from many other sources. They stated it has to be like the end of January or beginning of February, but I was lucky enough to have one being shipped to me directly from the manufacturer. And yep, it's here. So here we go. That's the actual the model number. It's i9 10980X XE Extreme. It's 18 core again and 36 threads. So let's take a look what's inside the box. It also just comes with this little nice bag. I don't know, you probably want to carry your CPU with you inside this bag. So let's leave that one alone. And let's take a look inside. Here we go. Alright, here is the chip. That's another plastic box. So it's wrapped very nicely. I've never opened this one before, so am I gonna stuck with this a little bit? Oh, here we go. That was easy actually. Alright, oh, beautiful. Very nice. Intel. So let me, oh, this part came out, and here we go. Here's the actual chip. Alright, i9 10980XE. That's what it looks like. Nothing else inside the box. No stock cooler. Not surprised because the CPUs are come without any cooling devices. You might need some aggressive cooling, probably water, better chiller. And hope my hand's not too static, you know. I'm gonna wear this piece just in case. That's the anti-static, you know, so you don't damage the components of the CPU chip with a little shortage. Alright, here you go. Alright, I'm not sure how the other version looks like, because my CPU in my system right now, it's actually the old one, 8 core, which really needs to be upgraded, and I'm planning to install this chip on a new Asus in-core motherboard. So yeah, here you go. All I'm just waiting is for the monoblock that covers CPU and the motherboard from BitsPower company. They're supposed to release this new monoblocks for the Asus motherboards also end of January. So I actually got my CPU before I actually got my water block. So I'm still have to wait another 4 weeks or less until that water box arrives, so I can start assemble my system inside that Invin case right there. That's the 925 model. And yep, this CPU will be cooled again by my beautiful chiller, water chiller, but not this one. It will be, we're gonna use 800 version, the model from Coolants. And again, that suction device, the fan which exhausts everything into the attic. So we're gonna connect this, run this, we're gonna see what the temperatures are for the 18 core processor. We're gonna do some testings, you know, like, and see how does it perform and how good it overclocks. So yeah, this is the chip, you know. It looks good. I hope I have a nice copy, you know, because some chipsets, 1 out of the 10 you get a good one which can be overclocked higher than the others. So hopefully this one is the lucky one, you know. So yep, stay tuned. Once I get remaining components, we're gonna build a nice system and we're gonna test it and see the results. Yep, this is everything. Thanks for watching.